Good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas 14. 2 weeks is crazy. Alright, I ain't gonna lie. We here though. I got work today, bro. You already know. We got the V-Loan on today. No coffee on me today either. Straight Celsius. It is what it is. But y'all seen I filled up. I need to get my ass to work. It's 8:06. I need to be there at 8:30. So peace. Where we at? Vlogmas 14, right? Crazy. 2 weeks. We currently on lunch right now. Today's actually going pretty fast, so I should be out of here pretty soon. I'll catch y'all after work. Peace. Alright, so we off work now. About to slide to the crib. I don't know why everybody's saying today. They tripping. Yes, sir. So we on the way to the crib right now. Like I said, I just got off work. Man, I'll be at work doing hella research. I'll be working, but like, bro, I promise, my job is so light. It's honestly ridiculous. But anyways, that's besides the point. If I'm still gonna get a LSD because I was doing research and I read up on a few posts. And they were saying if you don't really track your car, the e-LSD does its job just as efficient. And you know, the LSD, I want like 3 bands, so. Yeah, man, IDK about that one, for real. We still thinking about it. If 5K falls out the sky, though, you know, best believe we on that. Y'all jacking that? That shit low-key kind of gross. I'm not fucking with that. We on a good street. Let's keep it going. Hold on. We need a 3. Yes, sir. So we need literally sick. Now watch this shit. Sick. Come on, bro. Get it together. What we doing out there for real? Hold on. We getting somewhere, man. Made it to the crib, man. Nice, safe, and sound. I hope you do too. For real. I just want to say I'm grateful and I appreciate everyone for tapping in as always. I don't know how much longer I'm going to keep the series going. I kind of want to go back to quality over quantity, but you know, I had to get right for Vlogmas. I'm going to keep it going, but I probably won't drop every day now. Like I said, I appreciate y'all for tapping in. If you were thinking about starting a YouTube, bro, just do it. Or shorty, just do it. You know what I mean? It doesn't hurt to try. We in the age of the internet. So you need to capitalize on this opportunity, bro. At least try to, because it's too much money out here for anyone to be broke. Once I blow up, bro, I don't know how I'm gonna get back to everybody that's been here since the jump, but I promise, bro, put everybody, as much people as I can on. Like, I'm not gonna be stingy with it. I'm gonna show love to everybody because people showing love to me. Y'all see the views. I'm not getting no motion right now, but I have fun making these videos. I don't make these videos for the views, the likes, none of that. Like, I ask y'all to like, comment, sub, of course, but I'm not doing it for none of that, bro. I just do it because I have fun. Like, I genuinely have fun making these videos, bro. Even if this shit get 1 view, this shit get 1 million views, bro. I'ma still keep acting this way, and I'ma still keep filming like I got 1 million subscribers. I'm done now. I'm done now if you fast forwarded. If you stayed, much love. So we back in the spaceship. I'm about to just go for a little drive. Clear my mind and whatnot. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all on Vlogmas 15. Bye.